Ireland has won the toss and they have decided to bat first.
Nice delivery. Oh, almost got it on. He's got him. Yes, there's the appeal from.
Okay, just rock that guff. Go back to Sam on field to stay with the original decision of out.
Well, he's given his first decision, took a bit of time. Richard Illingworth, Andy Bilburney goes without scoring.
This time taken.
Ball Sterling, not so much. Outside the body, it was the neck height sort of. Sterling goes for a well-made 60 of 76.
Oh, close, lovely delivery. But umpire not moved.
Are going upstairs.
Okay, ball's pitching outside off, impact in line, wickets.
Yes, it is out. He's gone for one.
Reverse. And taken. That's the problem. Whether it got some part of the bat or the gloves, and he's taken the review.
Okay, ball. Okay, he's got the hands under the ball. You're on screen now, please signal.
For Carmichael, well said on 59. Tried to play reverse a little bit too many times.
Oh, gone. That is a super delivery. He enticed him, and it's Hassan Murad.
Yeah, the release of pressure over a go pays some sort of dividends until that happens, with yet another set batter having to leave. Camphor goes for 44.
Oh, lovely delivery. He's beat him in the flight, and I think he's out the crease. He'll just go upstairs for a look.
Okay, foot is out of the ground.
In favor of the bowler, it is a rocket OUT. So Dhaka departs for 41.
Oh, beauty. I tell you what.
Indeed, he has bowled with a lot of guile. Receiving the batter through the gate and Lit on Dash doing the rest. But he departs for 5. Oh, shout, good shout. I reckon it is a good shout. They are loud. Hassan Raza raises the finger.
Okay, just rock it back. Okay, pitching in line, impact in line. Hassan, you're on screen, please signal.
Confirmation from Richard Illingworth, and the decision is upheld. Unfortunate for Jordan Neal. Batted responsibly, 30 of 60 deliveries, but Taijul getting the better of him.
There is an appeal, it took a long time, and then the umpire decided to give it in favor of the bowler straight away.
Okay, pitching in line, impact in line. You're on screen now, please signal.
No, Hassan Raza got it right, spot on. Ireland lose an early wicket. Humphreys gone for naught. Lovely delivery, beautifully bowled on target and hits the timber. So Ireland is bowled out for 286. He picks up his second.